All right, we're back. Again, Mozart in the background. Example 2A. I've blocked out B and C, but you can follow along in the notes. They're detailed and attached separately. Here's our goal. We've got a quadratic equation, something with an x squared. My goal is to solve or find out what x equals. Now I could always do a guess and check, but again, if we write this in standard form, and what do I mean by standard form? That means everything's got to go to one side and set it equal to 0. I like to keep this first term, the one with the x squared, I like to keep that coefficient positive. So I'm going to subtract 20x from both sides. And what I have now is I have this written in standard form. Now, what appears to be missing is the c term. I have the a and the b term, and the c term is missing. If this happens, this creates a little bit of a shortcut. I don't need to use the AC chart. What I can do is I can factor out a common number and or letter with this. And right here, I see that both a 5 and an x divides into that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the 5x on the outside, which leaves me with x minus 4 on the inside. Now, I have my two factors. All I need to do is I need to set each of these factors equal to 0 and solve. How am I going to do that? Simply, divide, for this factor, divide both sides by 5. We know that 0 divided by anything is 0, and voila, you have one answer, which you know 0 times anything equals 0, so that would be true. The other one says, take x minus 4 and set it equal to 0. To solve that, simply add 4 to both sides, and that leaves me with x equals 4. If I were to plug that in and check it and do the math, I would see that the left side equals 80 as well as the right. And that, my friends, is how you factor a quadratic equation, example 2A.